Yeah, so I ruined my nails a few months ago. But great news, they're coming back. I'm going to be prepping them and then painting them with regular nail polish. I know, I said regular, not gel. Can you believe it? As you saw, I pushed my cuticles back and I'm going to be using my Melodysusie drill on level 1. Heavy on that level 1. I'm cleaning up my cuticle area and not messing with those sidewalls. I'm just barely touching my nails with this 180 grit nail bit and I'm kind of just doing a light side to side motion. I'm just removing the shine from my nail so that everything sticks properly and I don't have lifting or chipping. And with the flame bit, I am cleaning up a little bit of the cuticle area that got missed. And now they just need a little shaping. After all the prep work is done, I just wipe them down with acetone to remove any lingering oils. I'm using this Keratin 3-day growth polish for my very first step before I use a base coat. I stumbled on this magic in a bottle when I was regrowing my nails, and I feel like it helped me a lot, so I'm gonna put that on before my base coat. This is my first time trying this Holo Taco brand, but I was a pretty big fan of the shine, and it went on pretty smoothly. And now for my beautiful polish, we're going to be using Mooncat, House of Hades. In person, she's striking, she's gorgeous, she's eye-catching, she's everything. In videos, she's just given blue. Justice is not being served here, but it is what it is. Back in it again with that Holo Taco. This House of Hades definitely needs a top coat. Like, it's begging for a top coat. But I first saw this color on somebody else, so I already knew her potential. Okay, first reveal. Don't mind the skin. She's looking crusty, dusty, full of acetone, ashiness. Like I said, these videos don't do this color much justice, but she still looks very nice. And final reveal is after I rinsed my hands and got away all that ashiness so you could focus on the color. Look at her. Also, not to toot my own horn, but I did a pretty decent job with this line of light using regular polish and not gel polish. Okay, see you next time.